Hello everyone, this is Rubel from Bfix. Welcome to my channel today for the new video. In this video, I will show you how to pair an Apple Watch with an iPhone. So this is a new Apple Watch that I bought. This is Apple Watch 6 and this is my iPhone 11 Pro. Here you can already see there is a pop-up, right? Came out. Okay, so in this video I will show you how to pair this Apple Watch with my iPhone and how to configure it for sleep, health, activity, heart rate, ECG and many more. Okay, let's get started. So here you can see there is a pop-up already on my iPhone. Apple Watch, use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch, and there you can see there's an on the display you can see it is written Apple Watch with many other languages. Okay, so let's click on continue. Okay, so as you can see, I did not have this Apple Watch installed on my phone. I uninstalled it, so now you can see it is basically came online. So I should say allow, set up for myself, and then it's try to recognize my face. Okay, it's recognized my face. Now what we will do, you can see this. Can you see this? Okay, so here I just did scan this kind of thing, like there were kind of DNA or whatever this world, and then it's already paired. Now I say setup. So I wear my usually I wear Apple Watch on my left hand. So configure it left hand. If you are right-handed, you select right. Okay. So click on continue. Okay. So it's doing its stuff. Okay. So it may take a little bit of time, but it's trying to configure. Here you can see what it's written. It is 44mm aluminum case designed by Apple in California, but it's made in China, Anyway, we don't need to worry about that one. Apple maintains its quality wherever they made. Now let's see. Okay, so you can see it's basically setting the language as my Apple Watch here. Activating your Apple Watch, this may take a moment. So what it's doing is checking if this Apple Watch is stolen, whatever, and now it is done. So signing into your account, this may take a few moments. So it is basically signing it up. Okay, so it's going. We'll see. It's taking some time. It says this may take a few minutes. So we'll see how much time it takes. Waiting. So what it does really is basically sign in your Apple Watch to the Apple's iCloud account. Okay, and how it is doing is basically sending all of your Wi-Fi credential or whatever here. It's basically signing to the Wi-Fi credential using the Wi-Fi, and then it's basically configuring itself. Now you can see what's happening. I don't know what's happening really. I'm just waiting to be completed this procedure. But anyway, it looks like it's okay. So saving power. Okay, let's wait. Okay, so now it's asking me to enter the password. So I'll set my password on my Apple. You don't need to know about my password, right? So my Apple ID, I'm signing into my Apple ID, so it's verifying that I'm the guy who is basically using this Apple Watch. Anyway, this will take few minutes. Let's wait. Okay, so I can either put a password or I cannot either put a password. It's up to me. Um, I usually don't like putting password, but yes, let's put a password. Okay, so let me put the password there. Okay, so I set the password, and then now you can basically, here I will show it to you. Okay, so you can increase the letter size. I guess that is okay. Whatever they configured, it's not bad, it's good. So I'll just put it as it is. Okay, and next, so here you can basically enable all of those features. Okay, sorry, I let me show it to you what I did. Okay, I basically put my, you know, that, then I put my daily move calories, exercise minute, stand goals, then notification, noise. Your Apple Watch microphone can measure sound levels without recording audio and notify you if they might affect your hearing, cardio fitness, low heart rate, high heart rate, all of those. Then if you take any kind of medicine for cardio fitness, you can specify beta blockers, calcium channel blockers, etc. Currently I'm not taking any medicine, so that's fine. Then you can do like emergency SOS button, emergency service, and notify emergency contacts, fall detection during workout. If you have a stroke or whatever, backtrack in remote setting. Apple Watch can record your route in case you get lost. So I'm enabling all of those. Then there's a mobile service if you want to enable. Here, I don't think I have any SIM card to use, but I'm just, I said continue for now. Probably I'll skip it. Okay. So you can enable this Apple Pay. Okay, so my wife's Apple Watch also has the same thing, Pay, but I did not enable it. I will enable it later. For me it's also same. I don't want to enable it now. I'll enable it later, so set up later. Then there is my watch adjust setting, blah blah blah. Then you have face gallery where you can basically specify what watch face you want to use. Then there is Apple Watch apps. There are many apps that you can install on the Apple Watch. Compatible, you can select whatever you want. So I click. So here you can see my Apple Watch is basically Nike. My wife's one is also one of like Nike branded, which is little bit expensive than the other Apple Watch, So I bought this one, Nike one, because I like them. But you can select whatever you want. Okay, so everything is in configured. So here are like few faces that you can use. Okay, so I will use let me see what watch face I want to use. I'm not sure yet. I like analogs, so probably I'll just select one of the analogs. So there's many faces you can see. Okay, there's none that I like for now. Probably I'll just go with whatever I here for the sake of the video. Lots of interesting watches. So there are specifically for Nike watches you can use. Okay, so I'll probably go for the Nike one for now. Okay, that's look okay. Okay, all right. So that's it. I think we're good. Now see you.